What makes a man respect a woman? This question came the day that, for the second time, a former couple moved me away from his life, making me feel insignificant, as if I deserved to be despised and hurt. Science affirms it. According to the social, psychological, and personality science, men experience more attraction for self-confident women, who are satisfied with their physical appearance and who feel full professionally and sentimentally. How to achieve it? 1. Try to be authentic. Be honest and don't try to act the way you suppose he likes it, because you can't really know it and it's a game that will only harm you in the end. 2. Never leave your sense of humor. One of the things that makes a woman more attractive is her laugher, even more so if she has the ability to laugh at herself and get something positive out of bad situations. 3. You control your time. A woman who respects herself never stops making her plans, and less delegates them to see a man. This does not mean rejecting him, just implying that before and after him you have a life. 4. Be independent. You must own yourself, no matter if you are a housewife or a doctor. This is reflected in the economy. Show him that you can give back just like him, but you take it as chivalrous that he does it. 5. Do not chase anyone. To make yourself respect in front of a man, it is important that you give him his space and show him that no matter if he does not speak to you, you will remain happy. If you want to learn more about what makes a man respect a woman, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.